RAM tracking has given us a lot of confidence in tracking and traceability of the fleet. That's been a great confidence boost. My name's Liam, I'm Operations Director from Higham Roofing and Construction. We've been operating now for 42 years. We operate nationwide. We have a fleet of 20 roofing operatives and several construction gangs as well that will operate all over the country. We've been with RAM tracking for about 4 months now. Our existing contract was due for renewal, so we went to market. The RAM tracking's quote, along with the free demos that they gave us beforehand and the overall package that they were providing, obviously just wasn't very appealing. I think the benefits were immediate. Once the trackers units had been installed on vehicles, they were immediately live on the portal for us to see. That data was being collected instantly, so all of that was available straight away. One of the key things that's really helped us with RAM tracking is the additional service of the RAM Assist. The vehicle drivers have an app on their phone where they can do a weekly check on their vehicle. That's been brilliant because whereas van maintenance was often done reactively to issues that came about, those reports come straight back to the office. That can now be monitored on a weekly basis and planned ahead, and we can be much more proactive about vehicle maintenance. RAM's integration with our existing systems and with our teams has been faultless. They've been incredibly reactive. We absolutely see a future relationship and partnership blossoming from here. We look forward to many happy years of tracking to come.